Hello, folks. Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so I highly recommend that you click that first link in the description below. Now, my internet coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, let's get back to my review. Now, you can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. You can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. The second bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. So you can grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order, for example, for a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. Hence, you become the middleman. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is a crucial thing. It is a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's take a hard look at AI Copy Ninja. In a nutshell, AI Copy Ninja shows you how to go from a blank page or a screen to a complete, compelling, engaging, long-form sales letter in less than 90 minutes. Now, this is taken from the sales page. As well, John Thornhill, a very accomplished internet marketer and affiliate marketer, says that this product is an invaluable tool for research, preparation, and writing persuasive content. What you should know about this product? Well, it's easy to follow guide to creating headlines, openings, offers, and calls to action using ChatGPT. And it comes in 8 bite-sized lessons that are short, sharp, and to the point, with no fluff, and easy to follow instructions. Some of the benefits of AI Copy Ninja include how to master the power of ChatGPT prompts for the best response every time, how to learn how to use ChatGPT to carry out expert research in a fraction of the time it takes normally, how to master the crucial elements of effective sales letter preparation with ChatGPT, and how to become an expert at writing powerful, attention-grabbing headlines that engage the reader and piques their curiosity. Also learn how to write opening paragraphs that engage readers, crafting persuasive copy that guides prospects from pain to powerful solutions, and creating compelling offers that are trustworthy with a trustworthy, guarantee and powerful calls to action. And you can do all this cheaper and faster than hiring a copywriter. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $17. Now, there's only 3 OTOs. So OTO 1 is an AI Copy Ninja video course so that you can watch what happens throughout the process. That's for $27. OTO 2 is a complete set of prompts to turn a blank screen into a sales letter and much more, and that's for $37. And OTO 3 is a private 30-minute one-on-one session to ensure success when you're using AI Copy Ninja, and that's for $250. Now, as far as I know, there are no downsells with AI Copy Ninja, so the sales funnel is very clean and sharp, just like AI Copy Ninja. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below, and I would highly recommend that you check that one out. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.